Alright guys, welcome back to more of Trouble Pets. I hope you people like our previous video, and thank you for all your love and support in our previous video. So let's just start with our today's video. As you can see, this is a Seagate external hard drive. It's an HDD of 1 TB. It's backup plus slim. The name is that. With this you get a Milo Create 1 year subscription. I don't know what company is that. It's Adobe, I guess. So Adobe Creative Cloud. Then you get Adobe Creative Cloud. There are two things in this. It's 2 months of membership included. This thing is compatible with Windows and Mac. So let's just see what's inside this thing. I've already broke the seal just to check if the hard drive is in there, but I haven't went through the things that are inside. It's packed really good. It's firm, less damage. So that's the Seagate manual of how the hard drive should work and all that stuff. You can go through it whenever you will buy this stuff. So I don't know what this is. I gotta have to check this thing. So this is what I was talking about, the two things that this thing gives you: the Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan, that's the Lightroom CC, and the Photoshop CC. Now when you plug this thing in your computer, you will get an option to go to the website and redeem the stuff, both these things, the Lightroom CC and the Photoshop CC. So that's what it is. Then this is a Milo Create. It's the same thing as that thing. This thing comes for 1 year of subscription. So this is what our actual thing is, and it's pretty good. So this is the actual hard drive. You can see there's a LED to let us know that we have connected or we are in contact. That's the switch. I don't know if people can see this. Okay, here we go. So that's it is. Even though it looks metallic, it's actually plastic, and let me tell you, it's durable. It's perfect. And a USB connector. Okay, it's USB type 3. That's really good. It's amazing. The type 3.0 is really good for fast transfer. Okay, so that it is. It is what it is. Okay, so this is your total thing that we get. So this thing comes for 3,999 rupees on Amazon. I think it has in GST included, but I don't know. It's on Amazon for 3,999 rupees. So that's pretty basic, and that's an amazing deal for this. So this was a short review of Seagate Smart Backup plus Slim. That's it. So thank you guys for investing your time in our today's video. I hope you people like it, and keep supporting us. Stay tuned. Thank you.